There are thousands of planets out there in the universe, and most of them are far bigger than Earth. But some of these planets go above and beyond what we would consider a planet. And this is our list of the 10 biggest things in space that aren't stars. Welcome to my channel. Number 10. The Black Eye Galaxy. This galaxy, located 30 million light-years from Earth, is one of the most photographed galaxies in existence. The diameter of this galaxy is around 84,000 light-years. If that were the case with our Milky Way, Earth would be almost 123 trillion miles away from the center of our own galaxy. So the next time someone says that you're exaggerating when talking about how big space really is, just tell them about the giant Black Eye Galaxy. No. 9. The Great Attractor. This is a massive concentration of galaxies and clusters of galaxies that has a gravitational pull so strong it literally attracts everything in its path, including our very own Milky Way. The center of the Great Attractor lies 200 million light-years away from Earth, and scientists estimate that its diameter stretches over 500 million light-years across. That means that the Great Attractor could theoretically fit 16 quadrillion Earths across its width. Number 8. The Red Rectangle Nebula. This huge emission nebula is located in the constellation of Orion, and it is 1,800 light-years away from Earth. It got its name because of the reddish color that comes from excited hydrogen gas emitting light. But what makes this nebula so special is the size. This place is 137 trillion miles across, and it contains an absolutely staggering number of stars, many of which are hot young stars that are forming inside of the nebula. Number 7. The Crab Nebula. Located 7,000 light-years away in the constellation of Taurus, this huge emission nebula stretches 160 trillion miles across and can be seen from Earth as a faint fuzzy patch with the naked eye. It also happens to be a supernova remnant. Supernova remnants are the expanding cloud of dust and gas that is left behind after a star explodes. In this case, the star was a blue giant almost twice the size of our Sun. When it exploded, the energy blast destroyed the outer layers of the star and sent them flying into space at incredible speed. The ejected material expanded outwards and created the Crab Nebula that we see today. Number 6. NGC 4038 and NGC 4039. These two interacting galaxies are the largest known interacting galaxies in the entire universe. They are located 55 million light-years away in the direction of the constellation of Canes Venatici, and they are actually the result of a collision between separate galaxies. As they orbit each other, they form a huge distorted shape that stretches over 600,000 light-years across. Just for some perspective here, if you were to take the combined diameter of both galaxies and divide it by the age of the universe, you would get a length of over 25 trillion miles. Number 5. The Boomerang Nebula. This emission nebula, located in the southern constellation of Norma, is known as the coldest location in the known universe, with temperatures dropping to an astonishing 1 Kelvin, which is only 459 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also the largest known nebula in the universe, spanning a whopping 6.6 trillion miles across. This is equivalent to more than 12 quadrillion Earths laid end to end. At first, astronomers thought that the Boomerang Nebula was an extremely distant galaxy, but new observations have shown that it is, in fact, much closer than originally thought, lying only 5,000 light-years away from Earth. Number 4. The Corona Borealis Great Wall. This is the largest known structure in the observable universe, spanning a mind-boggling 10 billion light-years across. It consists of hundreds of galaxy clusters grouped together in a gigantic arc-shaped formation. The Corona Borealis Great Wall is so large that if you were to take the diameter of the structure and divide it by the age of the universe, you would get a length of more than 300 million miles. This is truly an almost incomprehensible amount of space. No. 3. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This gigantic wall of galaxies is located in the direction of the constellations of Hercules and Corona Borealis, and it is 10.7 billion light-years away from Earth. It is also the second largest structure in the observable universe, stretching over 10 billion light-years across. This colossal wall of galaxies is over 3 times the size of our own galaxy, and it is estimated to contain over 8,000 galaxy clusters. If that sounds like a lot of galaxy clusters, well, you're not wrong. There are so many galaxy clusters in this structure that they all cannot fit within a single image taken by the Hubble telescope. To get an idea of just how vast the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is, just think about the fact that it would take light over 10 billion years to travel from one end of the structure to the other. No, 2. The Ursa Major Cluster. Located in the constellation of Leo, this is the largest known galaxy cluster in the observable universe, stretching over 514 million light-years across. It contains over 1,000 galaxy clusters and groups of galaxies, and it is home to an estimated 300 trillion stars. For some added perspective here, the Ursa Major Cluster is so massive that it weighs approximately 2.5 quadrillion times the mass of our Sun. If that number doesn't seem like much, just imagine the weight of all the stars in the cluster combined, or even better. Just try to visualize the sheer number of galaxies contained within such a vast expanse of space. Before we continue, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos of amazing space discoveries. Let's move on to Number 1. The Titan Arcturus. This is the largest known structure in the entire universe, spanning a distance of 176 billion light-years across. It consists of hundreds of galaxy clusters grouped together in a gigantic arc-shaped formation. The Titan Arcturus is so large that it would take light over 176 billion years to travel from one end of the structure to the other. Keep in mind that the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, which means that the Titan Arcturus could theoretically fit more than 13 universes inside of it. It's hard to overstate just how truly massive the Titan Arcturus is. It's truly an almost incomprehensible amount of space, so there you have it. 10 of the biggest things in space that aren't stars. From the tiny red rectangle nebula to the gargantuan Titan Arcturus, the universe is filled with a wide variety of celestial objects that are truly mind-boggling in their scale and grandeur. Which one of these massive space objects did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.